Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your OnePlus 15 is reported in lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, first we need to type the IMEI number of our device in this bar. If your device is lost and if you want to check it, is it reported, you won't be able to check the IMEI from the level of your phone. You can try also finding your phone packaging, and usually the IMEI number is written on the edge of the box, so that's how you can find it. Then type this IMEI number in here and click on check. Now, as you can see, OnePlus appears. We can scroll down now and click on lost device check. Okay, and now click on check lost/stolen status. As you can see, this device is reported in the lost/stolen database. In here we can see some description of the loss, date of the verification, when the report was created at, and other informations. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.